It's no secret that those who get in early on disruptive technology often enjoy the greatest rewards. Create your very own I got in first story with Kala, where the potential is massive and the cost is minimal. With a price point as low as just $50, mining Kala is more accessible than ever. There are 3 ways to mine Kala. All you have to do is pick the one that works best for you. Option 1. Gigahash mining contracts. Kala Gigahash mining contracts are a no-fuss way to mine and build your own Kala coin collection. Each contract has a specified hash rate or mining power that runs on top-of-the-line crypto mining hardware owned by Mintage Mining. Once you purchase a contract of your own, Mintage handles it all, from the configuration and setup to maintenance and regular monitoring for optimal rig performance. All of this is taken care of as part of your monthly service fee. With 4 different levels, Kala mining contracts can fit into any budget. The $50 contract gives you 50 gigahash. A $100 contract gives you 100 gigahash Kala mining power. For those who want to mine more Kala, the $500 contract for 500 gigahash may be a better option. The $1,000 contract is for those looking to stock up on more Kala with 1,000 gigahash. Not only can you mine Kala of your own with a gigahash mining contract, but you can earn commissions as well. For each gigahash mining contract purchased by someone you refer, you receive a 10% commission, and another 6% goes to the team. But that's not all. Gigahash mining contracts also allow you to earn regular monthly commissions on all monthly service fees paid by those you directly refer, and anyone they refer up to 10 levels. For those you directly refer, you receive either $5 for the $50 contract or $10 for contracts over $50 each month. In addition, each $50 contract monthly service fee gives you 25 cents, and every other contract gives you 50 cents every single month. As your team grows and gets involved with Kala, your earnings can really add up. Option 2. 4 terahash mining contract. Those who are ready to go all in with Kala but aren't interested in earning monthly commissions can participate with our 4 terahash mining contract, which is the equivalent of 4,000 gigahash. The mining experience is just as simple. For a monthly maintenance fee of $115, Mintage manages the hardware and optimizes it for the best performance. And you watch your Kala coins build up. You still earn a generous commission of $400 on the purchase of anyone you directly refer, with an additional $250 spread up 10 levels. However, there are no commissions associated with maintenance fees. Option 3. 4 terahash Kala mining rig. Kala enthusiasts who want to own and operate their own mining hardware can purchase the 4 terahash Kala mining rig. A rig will be shipped to you to self-host in your own residence. This is only offered in the United States, and additional shipping costs apply. Purchases of Kala mining rigs grant the same commissions as a 4 terahash mining contract, so $400 to the direct enroller and $250 up the tree. There are also no monthly fee commissions. With so many options, stepping into Kala has never been easier. Don't miss your chance to get in first. Contact the person who shared this video with you and start writing your own story today.